Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to be showing you one of many ways that you can create an automatic bone meal generating farm inside of Minecraft. This particular version uses Cactus in order to generate a near infinite supply of bone meal, because every time one of these cactus grows upwards, they don't like having anything directly next to them. So when they grow up, they say hello to these little fence pieces, and then the tops of them break off. So for this to work, you're going to need like at least one piece of cactus, some stone bricks or whatever kind of decorative building block you want to use, and then you're going to want a couple pails of water, some hoppers, a composter, and then also a chest. You can have as many chests as you want, really. So first off, the first thing we're going to do is find a flattish piece of land, and then we're going to create an 11 by 11 block. Then once you've got your 11 by 11 square made, you're going to want to fill that bad boy in using whatever kind of filler floor block that you want. I'm just going to use some light blue terracotta. You can use whatever decorative blocks that you want. These are really not important, just so long as you have some type of solid block in the correct configuration is about all that you need to worry about. So we're going to fill in all of the center here using these terracotta blocks. And then somewhere in the center, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 over and then 5 into the middle. You want to open up the very center. And then inside of here, we're going to dig down a couple of blocks. And then we're going to dig over to wherever we want to have our access point be for our little farm. And then down here, we're going to actually stick a composter. We're going to stick a composter like right here. And then underneath of that, we're also going to place a couple of chests. So we're going to have a chest here. Then we're going to have a hopper that goes into the chest from the composter. And then above the composter, in this hole, we're going to have composter right here. And it's going to collect all of those cactuses as they break off. That's going to feed them into the composter down here inside of this hole that we dug. So with that in mind, now we have to start laying out all of our cactus pads. So I'm going to start spreading these out with a space in between all of them with sand blocks. This is important that you do have sand blocks because this is what the cactus likes to grow on. And we're going to create an even checkerboard grid. Now from here, we're also going to create a little bit of a fence around the edge using some more of these stone bricks and then some glass. Then we're going to go ahead and grab that glass and replace our sand block. You can create this whole thing out of pretty much whatever you want. You can even have the whole thing be glass if you want, besides the important pieces of the composter or the hoppers. There we go. Put all this glass in here. All right, now we can add our cactus. Just be careful if you're hopping around in here. The cactus is pointy. And then from here, we can add some water to our corners. So we'll put some water, 1 bucket in each corner. The whole objective is by doing so, it pushes all of the water currents into the center towards that middle hopper, so that it'll feed all of the cactuses into a central location. And then the last component is we're going to take some fence posts and we're going to put a fence post in between each set of cactus. That way, when they do grow, they will break off and fall into the middle and feed our composter. It should be noted if you just want this to generate cactus for green dye, you can also just take out the composter component from this, and this will just create an infinite supply of cactus pieces for you that you can use to spread cactus or to make different types, or just to make a dye so you make different types of green dyed materials. And there you have it. That is going to be your automatic bone meal farm. It's super easy to make. There's really not any redstone involved. It just uses the passive growing of cactus in order to produce more chunks of cactus so that you can get a free infinite supply of bone meal, which will slowly get fed down here underneath of this machine into this chest as it grows. Although I will say it, because it doesn't require any moving parts, it is a little bit slower. So if you want to, you can actually create multiple levels of this same farm so that it automatically produces bone meal at a pretty decent rate. It's just that instead of a hopper in the middle, you just have to have a single hole. That way all of the water will push it towards the hole and it'll fall into the very bottom hopper here. So that'd be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. This has been a brief look at how to make an automatic bone meal farm / cactus farm. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.